On today's Tesla Tunity, I found myself in a puddle, literally, and I realized the Tesla Summit is more than just a party trick. Check it out. Have you ever pulled into a parking lot and the only spot available was underwater? Have you ever returned to your car to find it had rained while you were gone? If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like it. If you're buying a Model S or Model X, you can use my referral link to get free supercharging. Please see below in the description.